Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and insights. In this Hushed eSIM review, I'll share my personal experience with the service. Find product links in the description below. Hushed eSIM caters to those prioritizing privacy, flexibility, and anonymity in their communications. This unique service offers temporary or secondary phone numbers without requiring extra hardware or physical SIM cards. It's an ideal solution for anyone needing a separate line for business, online dating, travel, or secure online transactions, effectively shielding your primary number from unwanted exposure. Setting up Hushed is remarkably simple. Download the app, select a number from various regions, and activate the eSIM in just a few taps. I found the activation process quick and painless, perfect for anyone requiring an instant second number without the long-term commitment of a traditional SIM card. Hushed provides a variety of plans, ranging from pay-as-you-go to unlimited calling and texting options, allowing you to tailor a plan to your specific usage patterns, whether occasional or as your primary communication line. My testing of Hushed involved various scenarios, including local and international calls. Call quality was consistently clear and dependable. The app itself boasts a user-friendly and intuitive interface, simplifying number management, call history access, and preference adjustments. A particularly compelling feature is the ability to create disposable numbers, which can be deleted at any time. This proves incredibly useful for short-term needs or when looking to minimize spam. Hushed's robust privacy features are a major draw. You can keep your personal information private, as the service doesn't connect your Hushed number to your identity. Furthermore, the app enables texting, image sharing, and calls without revealing your primary phone number. However, it's important to remember that Hushed relies on an internet connection, so call and message quality will be affected by your data or Wi-Fi speed. For individuals seeking a versatile and anonymous communication solution, Hushed eSIM provides a reliable and effective platform. If you're interested in learning more, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.